What's good? It's your girl Tay Tay coming at y'all. It's 5:20, and I'm gonna just do a short video because this can't really last long on my phone of the storm. And look at it as it becomes now. Look at the road. Look at the car. This is crazy. Look up there. It's will keep creeping down the hill. A little slow. Look at if you could see, I'm gonna try to hold it up so you can see those snow chunks coming down. It's crazy. But other than that, it's 40 seconds basically. Like I said, 5:20. I'm gonna come out here around 7 o'clock and show y'all some updates. Triple set all day. Deuces.